Good afternoon, friends and family and Facebook friends. Today is Eamon Vision time, and Eamon Vision thought he would like to share where he is today. Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm in East Barney Park, where people are doing fishing, having a stroll of the walk, and a lot of other things. What you can just imagine, what you would do in the woods. So let's have a look at the fishing lake and the woods on Eamon Vision. So like I say, grab my hand, 1, 2, 3, let's follow me and let's have a look at the beautiful nature on Eamon Vision. Beautiful, beautiful ducks on Eamon Vision. The ducks are going quacking mad. So let nature escape you. So let's see what else we can see around this neck of the woods on Eamon Vision. So let's have a look, ladies and gentlemen, and see some more beautiful stuff. So yeah, I think it's beautiful. Very, very beautiful. The nature is so beautiful. So let's see if we can see some more other things on Eamon Vision. So whatever you should be doing or whatever you shouldn't be doing, I wish you all the best on Eamon Vision. So I'll see you soon. Goodbye.